Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, in the previous video we did the concept of the animal world. Yes, in this concept we learned the different kinds of animals, right? So today we are going to do the book exercise related to this concept. So are you ready? So without wasting any time, let's get started with the concept now. All right, so here is fill in the blanks. First is a dash has 6 legs. Who has 6 legs? Butterfly or crow? Yes, butterfly. We learned that what we learned in the previous concept, that insects have 6 legs. So butterfly is also insect. So butterfly. Butter. I'm so sorry. Butterfly. Next, birds have dash wings. How many wings? You can see in the picture. How many wings of this bird? 2 wings. So, 2. TWO 2. Next, insects have dash legs. How many legs? Insects have 6 legs. As you can see in this picture, this is a insect, and how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So insects have 6 legs. Okay, students? Alright, so here is another exercise. Guess the animals. You have to guess the animal. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. I am big. White, black, and white strips on my body. What is it? Zebra. It has a white and black strips all over his body. Yes, so zebra. Next, I have yellow and brown stripes on my body. I am the national animal of India. Who is the national animal of India? Yes, right you are. Tiger. And it has a yellow and black stripes all over its body. Yes, so the answer is tiger. Next, I am the king of the jungle. Who's the king of the jungle? Yes, lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. Okay, students, that's all for today. I hope you understand this concept very well and enjoyed as well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care, and have a nice day. Thank you.